Hello kids. Let's learn letter D words. Look carefully and answer. It is a sweet treat. What is this? Donut. Can you say it? Donut. D is for donut. You wear it on your finger. What is this? Diamond. Can you say it? Diamond. D is for diamond. It is a small insect. What is this? Dragonfly. Can you say it? Dragonfly. D is for dragonfly. A big animal from long ago. What is this? Dinosaur. Can you say it? Dinosaur. D is for dinosaur. It is a cold sweet treat. What is this? Dessert. Can you say it? Dessert. D is for dessert. It is a flying toy. What is this? Drone. Can you say it? Drone. D is for drone. It dives into water. What is this? Diver. Can you say it? Diver. D is for diver. You move your body to music. What is this? Dance. Can you say it? Dance. D is for dance. You wear it on your wrist. What is this? Digital watch. Can you say it? Digital watch. D is for digital watch. It is related to milk and milk products. What is this? Dairy. Can you say it? Dairy. D is for dairy. It barks and is a loyal pet. What is this? Dog. Can you say it? Dog. D is for dog. It is a musical instrument. What is this? Drum. Can you say it? Drum. D is for drum. You wear it. What is this? Dress. Can you say it? Dress. D is for dress. It swims in water. What is this? Dolphin. Can you say it? Dolphin. D is for dolphin. A small animal that says quack. What is this? Duck. Can you say it? Duck. D is for duck. It is a wild animal. What is this? Deer. Can you say it? Deer. D is for deer. You use it to write. What is this? Diary. Can you say it? Diary. D is for diary. A person who drives a car. What is this? Driver. Can you say it? Driver. D is for driver. You open and close it to enter a room. What is this? Door. Can you say it? Door. D is for door. What is this? Desert. Can you say it? Desert. D is for desert. Great job, you learned so many D words. Can you say them again? Next, let's learn letter E words. Subscribe for fun learning videos of all letters A to Z.